Aloha everybody, welcome back to Eat and Be Eaten Hawaii. Today we went up to the Hawaiian Style Cafe to try out their famous Haupia Pancakes. So we're going to show you what these are all about and explain a little bit about Haupia. So this is the Hawaiian Style Cafe in Waimea or Kamuela on the Big Island. Famous diner style breakfast spot. You can see the menu right here. They got breakfast items like omelets, loco mocos, the favorite, the Haupia pancakes, punalu'u sweetbread, French toast, sausage ring and eggs, and the loco moco, that's fried eggs over hamburger patty on rice with gravy. The omelets, you got a volcano omelet, which has mushrooms, salsa, avocado, Portuguese sausage omelet. So that's what I ordered, was the volcano omelet, as you can see right here, and I got the Haupia pancakes. Some coffees, decent, kind of weak coffee, standard diner food really for the most part, but the Haupia pancakes and some of the other specials are delicious. And then for lunch and dinner, you can get sandwiches and burgers, furikake chicken, beef stew, tripe stew, lechon, pulehu lamb ribs, kalbi short ribs, that's Korean style, burgers, that kind of thing. Alright, so the pancakes, these are really fluffy, very wide, big pancakes with Haupia sauce on them and then whipped butter. It looks like whipped cream, it's actually whipped butter which just melts through the sauce onto the pancakes. So Haupia, what is it? It is a coconut dessert. You use coconut milk and you thicken it with some kind of starch. Traditionally it was arrowroot starch. Nowadays it's more commonly something like cornstarch, rice starch. But you thicken Haupia, coconut, sweeten it, and it becomes this delicious dessert. So that's what the cream sauce here is made out of. So for the recipe specifically, you're going to use full fat coconut milk. You're going to use water, so 2 parts of coconut milk to 1 part water, and then also 1 part of sugar and a tablespoon of starch, like cornstarch, and then a little bit of salt, and that's how you make the sauce. Absolutely delicious, perfect on pancakes, and this was delicious. So if you're ever on the Big Island of Hawaii, check it out. Hawaiian Style Cafe in Waimea, up on the north side of the island. Alright, and if you want to see us make a version of these pancakes or any other recipes, let us know in the comments. We'll have some more videos coming out soon, and we will see you guys next time. Aloha.